Hey, what's up guys? Realme has already confirmed that it will be launching Realme X2 smartphone with a 64MP camera in China on September 24, 2019. Now the company has revealed some of the details about its front camera. The company has posted a teaser on Chinese microblogging website Weibo, which confirms that the upcoming phone will come with a 32-megapixel selfie camera. To recall, Realme XT has a 16-megapixel front camera. The rest of the specification of the phone will remain as same as Realme XT. It is expected that the Realme X2 will be the same Realme SD730G that was announced during the Realme XT launch in India recently. It is however to be noted that the Realme XT730G will launch in India in December. However, as per some reports, X2 will be rebranded version of the XT for the China. The Realme X2 will sport a quad camera module which houses a 64-megapixel Samsung ISO cell bright GW1 sensor with an aperture of f1.8 and electronic stabilization, and an 8-megapixel of wide-angle camera and a 2-megapixel of macro camera and a 2-megapixel of depth sensor for portraits. For the front, it will have an 32-megapixel sensor for selfies and video calls. The smartphone will run on Android 9.0 based on ColorOS 6.0 and comes packed with a 4000 mAh of battery along with a 30-watt VOOC fast charging support. The phone will feature a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display and a water drop notch design, Gorilla Glass protection and in-display fingerprint sensor. So this is all about the Realme X2, which is launching in China on September 24 and it will be launched in India and other countries in the month of December. So hope you like the Realme X2, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.